Hello everyone, and welcome to the My First Variable video series. My name is Louis, and I'm a designer advocate at Figma. What that means is that I'm kind of here to help you. For the past 3.5 years, I've been going very deep on all things Figma and specifically design systems, whether it's components, component properties, variants, styles, file organization, or even naming your layers. I've been going very deep to try and learn the best practices over these years. And for the past 9 months, I've been specifically going deep on all things variables. I was very fortunate to launch the feature at our conference called Config back in June 2023. And for 3 months before that, I was working very closely with a product team to basically figure out these best practice advice. So if you're brand new to variables, this should be a great starter. Or if you've played with them a little bit, this should be a great refresher. We're going to try and uncover all the different questions that you might have. For example, what even is a variable? Is it different to design tokens? How is it different to styles? How do I create them? How do I organize them? What is a mode? How do I group them into collections? Where should those collections live? Should I split them into different files or keep them in the same place? How do I use color variables? What type of variable is best suited to a border radius? And how can I make that change across different breakpoints? These are the kind of questions I'm hoping to solve for you in this series. So grab your Figma files and let's take a look. I'll see you in there.